Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Jared. On this video we're going to do what's the difference between quantum mechanics and classical mechanics. So an equation in classical mechanics would be, or classical physics would be, it would be F equals ma, which is force equals mass times acceleration. So in quantum mechanics would be like light. So light having photons, when you break it down to a quantum level, it has photons. So when you're doing quantum physics, you're going down to a quanta level, a very small level that is, okay, let's say like light. Some people will fight over about whether it's waves of light or whether it's particles of light, but I believe it's both. It's waves of particles of light. Come on, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So another thing, so let's say a cannon, this is back to physical, buddy. So let's say in regular physics, you have a cannon with a cannonball, cannon being the mass, cannon shooter being the acceleration, how fast it's going to shoot the ball, stuff like that. Different kinds of light, you guys, so the different kinds of darkness. That's going back into the quantum. In the small quantum realm, basically there's a lot of things that we can't see that are happening as phenomenons, whereas in the realm over here, the quantum and the physical realm, that one that we're using, the basic stuff, is a lot of regular stuff. So like here, let's say you're throwing a ball, catch the ball, throwing a ball, catch the ball. So in the quantum realm, you throw the ball and it can just go straight through the glass or whatever you're throwing it at, and it's just like, what just happened? What's up, guys? It is YouTube Jared, and today, yes, I have notes. Sorry, I have neck problems and stuff like that. Anyways, nerve problems. Today we're going to be talking about what is the difference between quantum mechanics and classical physics, or classical mechanics, however you want to say it. So, start off with classical physics, okay? The difference between classical physics and quantum physics: classical is being a set of basic physical rules that apply, which don't apply in quantum physics or in quantum mechanics. So this is one of the equations in physical mechanics, in basic physical classical mechanics. It is F equals ma. Do you guys know what F equals ma means? It is force equals mass times acceleration. So what does that mean? So force equals the mass of something times acceleration. So let's say you have an object, right, of a ball, and I throw the ball, right, or a cannon throws it at a 90-degree angle. Figure out the mass of the ball times the force of the cannon shooting the ball. That's force times the acceleration of the cannon shooting the ball. That's force. That equals force. That is a equation in quantum physics. But something like that same equation can't be put into something as easy as light. Okay, so let's say light is the quantum physics, quantum mechanics deal. Let's say, what is light, for instance? Do you guys know what light is? Or where does it come from? An energy source, right? It's a wave, or at least behaves like a wave, or a particle. So it also behaves like a particle. It's particles, and it also behaves like a wave. So there's a huge debate over all that, whether it's a particle or a wave, when it could be both. Particles of waves. Come on, people. Give me a break. Particles of waves of light, people. Don't be stupid. I'm just kidding. Okay, so that was the whole debate of the beginning of quantum mechanics. What is light and how does it behave? So let's see, where was I? So light gives off a heat coming from the source that we just talked about, right? Of the light and life itself. And there's all different kinds of light, you guys. There's different kinds of light. there's all different kinds of darkness too. So it's not just one way; it's also the other way. So you got one way going over here with the light, and then you got the opposite going over there with the darkness. So that's cool too. So Planck's law, made by Max Planck, what's that noise? States that electromagnetic energy takes the form of tiny packets called quanta. So science, as we know, cannot right as of now divide any of these packets any further. The one called quanta, light in these packets is called photon, like a photon wave. Dragon Ball Z, you know that dude, the old dude, Master Gero, photon wave. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, the difference of physical, classical mechanics, and quantum mechanics. Like, subscribe, and share to my videos. Peace out.